Hey guys, what's up? I am back with another unboxing video. So in this video I have the all new Poco M6 Pro. This is a new high-end mid-range phone from Poco, and this phone is costing around 90,000 PKR here in the Pakistan market. And in this price range we have MediaTek Helio G99 Ultra SoC, and the price of the Poco, it is really expensive. We have a 12 GB of RAM with 512 GB internal storage. I wish that we have 8 GB of RAM variant, the 128 GB of internal storage variant, and that phone should be more aggressive. Anyways, and the color I have is the purple color, and this phone is made in China, not manufactured in Pakistan. And the price, I would say, of the Poco M6 Pro, it is really good because we have a 512 GB of internal storage, which is really big. So on the back we have absolutely nothing. We also have a high-res audio support. Let me remove the plastic like this, and now let's open this box. So on the top it says only Poco. Inside this mini box there is our semi-gestion tool, and right there is our quick start guide as well as a warranty card. And here is our case, which is not a transparent. As you can see, it has a soft silicone look on the back with M6 Pro inside the box. Now let's start the phone from this box like this. And as you can see, and these are the main highlighting feature of the Poco M6 Pro, and this phone has a 120Hz Full HD Plus AMOLED display. We also have 67 watt super fast charging with 5000 mAh battery size. On the back we have 64 megapixel OIS main camera. We have a triple cameras on the back with MediaTek Helio G99 Ultra. We have an overclock version of the MediaTek Helio G99, and the specification we are getting inside the Poco M6 Pro, it is really good. Although we have a 512 GB of internal storage, again we should have a 128 GB of internal storage variant. Now let's start the phone from this plastic. And guys, and this is the purple color. So you can see here is the purple color looks like. As you can see, we have a glossy finish. Although the back is made up of plastic, we have a dual camera cutout with LED flash as well. We have a dual tone on the back. It says 64 megapixel OIS. And now let's quickly boot this phone up. We also have screen protector, which is already installed. So now let's see what else we get and then the phone. And the first thing, we're getting our charger. And guys, and this is 67 watt super fast charger. Nice to see that. USB type C to USB A cable, which is a really nice thing. So we have 67 watt fast charging. And guys, on the bottom we have our speaker, USB-C port, main microphone. I don't see a headphone jack. So on this side we have our SIM tray, and now look at the SIM tray on this phone. We should see a triple slot or a hybrid slot. Let's see that. Hybrid SIM slot, so you can use one micro SD card, the 1 nano SIMs or a 2 nano SIM at the same time. Also we have a rubber gasket, so we have some IP rating on this phone. So on the top we have headphone jack, so we have headphone jack, another speaker, IR blaster with a noise cancellation microphone. So we have everything. So on this side we have volume up and volume down rocker, as well as a power on button. And on the back we have a triple cameras. Actually we have a 64 megapixel f1.8 aperture with OIS main camera. Then we have 8 megapixel ultra wide. Also we have 2 megapixel, which is a macro. And now let's talk about the display. And this phone has a gorgeous 6.7 inch Full HD Plus AMOLED with 120Hz refresh rate. Also we have 1300 nits of peak brightness. Also we have a center punch hole on the top overall, and the bezels, as you can see, this phone looks like a flagship phone from the front, which is a really good thing, I would say. And this phone has one of the best displays, I would say. And now let's quickly set up this phone up, and then we will continue. And guys, and here is the first boot of the Poco M6 Pro. And guys, and the first impression about the display quality again, and the bezels, it is really nice on this phone with 120Hz refresh rate. And now let's see the max brightness. So here's the max brightness looks like. Again we have 1300 nits of peak brightness. Anyways, let me go to the settings, and now let's see the Android version. This phone is running on Android 13 or Android 14. So we have Android 13 on this phone with MIUI version 14. Poco, it says that you will see Android 14 Hyper OS in the coming weeks. So now let's see the internal storage. We have 512 GB of internal storage, 483 GB it is available for you guys. So we have massive storage on this phone, and that's why this one is costing around 90,000 PKR. So anyways, here is the 120Hz refresh rate feels like. And now let's see the fingerprint scanner. This phone has a fingerprint scanner inside the display. As you can see in the fingerprint scanner, it works absolutely fast. Also, we have a good quality haptics on this phone, and refresh rate is set on default. Anyways, now let's go 120 Hz all the time again, and the display it is one of the main highlights of the Poco M6 Pro. Anyways, let's look at the camera. We talk a lot about the display. So it's a camera UI looks like. We have 64 megapixel OIS main camera, which looks like this, and here is a 8 megapixel ultra wide. Ultra wide is also really decent. Let's see with the recording size. So the back camera maximum shoot Full HD at 60 fps. We don't have 4K support. Also have a macro mode which uses a 2 megapixel macro lens on the back. Here is a pro mode, and here is a portrait night mode, which is also available with the ultra wide. In the mode section, here is our 64 megapixel mode, and here is our slow motion. We also have time lapse in the edit options. Here all the modes you will find in the Poco M6 Pro, and this phone has a 16 megapixel selfie camera. So it's a selfie camera looks like. Yes, and the selfie camera it's also really decent. Here's a portrait mode, and here's a night mode, and let's see video recording size. And front camera also shoot Full HD at 60 fps, which is a really nice thing. Again, this phone has a massive 5000 mAh battery size with 67 watt fast charging. This phone should give you at least 1 day of battery life on heavy use without any problem. And the design language as well as the cameras and the display is the main highlight of the Poco M6 Pro, and I will be testing out the performance of the Helio G99 Ultra in my upcoming speed test, and stay tuned for that. And that's about it, and thank you so much for watching this unboxing and my first impression regarding the Poco M6 Pro. And do let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this, and follow me on Instagram as well as on X, and I will see you in my next video. Peace out.